Do you have a cracked driveway with settling and structural issues? My name is Josh with Southern Screen and Construction. I'm in Deltona today. We're tearing out this driveway. You can see lots of problems here. This is an old builder grade concrete. Comes in about 2,000 PSI when they built the house. We're gonna tear this out today, haul it away, form up a new driveway, have an inspection today, and within 24 hours after that, the customer will be able to drive on the driveway. So complete turnaround time is 72 hours. The customer will be able to get back in and out of their house. We're going to be using a concrete that runs at 3,500 PSI with a commercial grade fiber infusion. We're going to come through, put expansion joints in this, try to reduce the shrinking and cracking as much as possible, and give this customer a beautiful new driveway that's going to last them a whole lot longer than this builder grade driveway that was put in originally. My name is Josh, Southern Screen and Construction. Girls are standing by in the office. Give them a call today. You'll have me come out personally to come out and look at your project. We'll go ahead and get it measured up and get you a new driveway.